Everyone thinks better visuals comes from a better camera. I thought the same until I actually started making videos. If you want a solid budget camera, then Sony ZVE-10 Mark I is still one of the best camera to start. If you have more budget, then obviously go for a 6700. But a camera alone will never give you great visuals. So the real question isn't which camera is best, it's what actually makes the visuals perfect. There are three things that actually makes content look near perfect. First one is lens. There's always a debate between prime lens and zoom lens, but if you're still learning, I'll be honest, go for a zoom lens. Why? Because you get to know how focal length changes the story. Every angle feels different. Every frame says something new. Like, pay attention to how distance changes the emotion. So, choose your lens which fits your style. Second one is color grade. Now, it's the tool that gives meaning to your shots. Each color tells different stories. There's several styles in here, but most of the people love modern color grade and film looks. And for the people who loves film looks, there's a film emulation called Dehancer. It helps digital footage behave more like film. And for me, it keeps things consistent. You can get proper film-like response without memorizing nose order or rebuilding the same look from scratch. That's how a simple shot becomes interesting. And obviously, if you chose any of their plan, use this code to get 10% off. Now, the third one is lighting. This part matters more than anything else. Lighting is the fastest way to level up your visuals. And for a basic light setup, you just need a key light and some small practical light to help the visual. Same camera, same lens, but different light, completely different result. So, choosing the right lens, understanding color, controlling light, when these work together, you get shot that actually feels cinematic and near perfect. And this is how I think about visuals.